Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. I'm here with the Temu wig review. The wig I'm going to review is the 4-inch pixie cut, heat resistant synthetic hair wigs. Okay, so it was a very short wig. So I will add the picture somewhere in this video or after, at the end of the video. It's very cute online, it really is. And let me see how much I paid for that wig. More now. Okay, so I paid $10.79 for this wig. I thought I paid less than that. I think I had a coupon or something. I think I paid less than that, but if they're saying $10.79, then I guess that's what it is. Okay, so let me get into this review. Let me take it out. So y'all know I've been trying different styles here lately. Sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes it's not a good thing. Take all this stuff off here. So I got the burgundy color. You see it's very, very short. It looked like something my grandmother would wear in the back. That reminds me of my grandmother, that in that back there. Ooh, I don't know how this is gonna look on me, ladies. So inside, it has the adjustable strap. Okay, it doesn't have any combs in it. The feel of the wig, for it to be an inexpensive wig, it doesn't really feel that bad. It feels pretty good. And it's not real shiny. I was afraid I was going to get something real shiny. But this color, I wanted to try something different, but I don't know if this color is going to be for me. But let me just put it on and see how it's going to look. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is what this wig is looking like. My hair is poking out through the back. I was afraid of that. But I can cover it up. Okay. So right now, I think it's making my head look extra big. I like this wig for somebody else, and I needed it in a different color. I think it could work for somebody. Maybe if I had the black one, but I think they were out of the black. I think that's why I got this one. But I'm just so happy it didn't come looking real shiny. You know, like I think they call cosplay wigs or something like that. One time I got one from another retailer. It was shiny like doll hair, y'all. So I'm glad this wasn't like that. I think I would like this if it was a little bit longer. This is 4 inches. And this is how it's looking in the back. This can be a nice wig for you if your head is smaller. Because I got the begonja head. And for the price, it's a decent wig for the price. Okay. My hair keeps sticking out. And it's like you can brush it different ways. That's a good thing. You can brush it, make it look a little different. Let me see something else. See, you can style this bad boy up different ways, so that's a good thing. So it's cute, but I'm used to longer hair, and I think I'm going to keep it, like if I go on vacation somewhere and I just want some shorter hair for that day, or something to just throw on the head, I'm going to look and see if they have like an 8-inch and see what that looks like. But right now, ladies, it looked like I'll be singing the song, "Hello, may I speak to Barbara? Barbara, this is Shirley. You might not know who I am, but the reason I'm calling you is because I was going through my old man's pockets this morning, and I just happened to find your name and your number." She just happened to find it, So woman to woman, I don't think it's being any more than fair to call you and let you know where I'm coming from. Now, Barbara, I don't know how you're going to take this, but whether you're going to be cool or whether you're going to come out on the bag with me. You see, it really doesn't make any difference, but it's only fair that I let you know that the man you love, no, the man you're in love with, he's mine. From the top of his head to the bottom of his feet. Well, girl, the bed he sleeps in and every piece of food he eats. You see, I make it possible. The clothes on his back, ha ha, I buy them. The car he drives, I pay to know every month. That's a fool there. That's a fool. But that's how I feel with this wig. I feel like a nutty woman like that. Okay. She paying for everything. The other woman is getting the goodies. Yeah, I feel like one of them women in this. It's only fair. Yep. This is a cute wig. I have to give it. It's cute. It's just, you know, with wigs, you got to know what fits you. And longer hair, I think if I try the next shorter wig, it's going to be like around here. Okay, because I usually go like around here. It's going to be like around here. And I think that's a good look. But I may get this in the black, though. I know it's fun to change up. And I like one thing that you can style this different ways. Okay, and let me see. Let me pull it back a little bit. So if you are afraid of buying a wig from Temu, don't be afraid because the prices are excellent. So far from this one, you don't see that extra doll hair shiny. And this was a good buy. It's a good buy. It's a good buy. It feels comfortable, nice and light on my head. Nice and light. So this wasn't a complete fail. I'm going to buy some more wigs from them. And you know, y'all check out my code. If you order this wig, use my code FAV 34086. Again, FAV 34086. Okay, and if you're a first time buyer, you will get 30% off. Some people they've been using my code and they're really saving a lot of money. So just try it. Okay, and I'm gonna have, I don't know if it's this week or next week, I'm going to have a small Temu haul. It's not sponsored. It's stuff that I brought on my own. But yeah, ladies, if you don't want to cut your hair, you want to try some short wigs, short hairstyles, this is the way to go. My hair is so damaged, y'all. I cut about this much off. I didn't want to go too short, but I cut this much off, and then maybe in the next 6 months, I will cut some more and try to get all that damaged hair off because my hair was so stringy and it wasn't healthy at all. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And please subscribe, comment, share. Okay. All right. So I will be back with some more videos. Love y'all so much. Bye.